Welcome to my channel. Hello my dear everyone. What are you doing all today? Today I'm going to introduce for Windows name Microsoft Windows. Microsoft named its operating system Windows to highlight its graphical user interface GUI, which was a significant innovation at the time. The name Windows was chosen because the operating system allows users to work with multiple on-screen windows simultaneously, enabling them to perform different tasks in separate, rectangular areas on the screen. This was a major shift from the command line interfaces that were common in earlier operating systems. Here are some key reasons behind the name Windows. Graphical user interface. The introduction of Windows as a fundamental part of the GUI allowed users to interact with the computer in a more intuitive and visually oriented manner. Multitasking. By using multiple windows, users could view and manage several applications or documents at once, facilitating multitasking and improving productivity. Metaphor for accessibility. The concept of Windows metaphorically suggests that the system provides windows or views into different applications and files, making computing more accessible and user-friendly. The choice of the name was strategic, aligning with Microsoft's vision of making personal computing more approachable and efficient for a broad audience. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like and comment.